Hi. GCSE Math Survival Walkthrough number 1. This is a non-calculator paper, so we keep methods simple and clear. Part 1. Numbers. Question 1. Divide 3/4 by 2/3. I would suggest you just remember 3 simple steps. Step 1. Copy the first fraction, 3/4. Step 2. Instant division. Put multiplication sign. And step 3, instead 2/3, put 3/2. So actually flip top and bottom. It is called reciprocal. So now we multiply top by top and bottom by bottom. 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 2 is 8. We got improper fraction, 9/8. And final answer will be shown as mixed number, 1 and 1/8. Question 2. We have indices and brackets. The law of indices tells us if I have brackets, multiply indices. So 2 times 8 is 16, so the final answer will be 4 to the power of 16. 1 mark exam question. Algebra. Question 1. Simplify fully. All terms are like terms. They all have the same letter x. So just add and then subtract. 7x plus 8x plus 8x minus 2x will be 21x. 1 exam mark. Question 2. X minus 5 times x plus 8. So let's multiply step by step. X times x will be x squared. X times 8 will be 8x. And then we move to the second term of the first bracket, minus 5. Minus 5 times x is minus 5x, and minus 5 times 8 gives us minus 40. Then we can simplify like terms, 8x and minus 5x, so the final answer is x squared plus 3x, take away 40. 2 exam marks. Measures. Convert 1008 days to weeks. We know that there are 7 days in a week. So we simply divide 1010 by 7 and we get final answer 144 weeks. 1 exam mark. Question 2. An object travels at 65 kilometers per hour for 3,575 kilometers. We know that distance equals speed times time. When we are not given time, divide distance by speed. So 3,575 divided by 65, final answer is 55 hours. 1 exam mark. Next part, ratio and proportion. Question 1. An amount was increased from 32 to 40. Work out the percentage increase. First of all, let's work the difference. 40 minus 32, the answer is 8. So, divide 8 by the original. 8/32 is 1/4, which is 25%. Question 2. Write the ratio 8 to 64 in the form 1 to n. How to get 1 from 8? Divide by 8. Golden rule for a ratio. If you do something to the left, do the same to the right. So it means 64 also should be divided by 8. So the final answer will be 1 to 8. 1 exam mark. Statistics. Find the mean of months 6, 30, 17, and 26. That is 2 mark questions. First step is add all the numbers together and we get first mark. The answer is 80. And then divide by quantity. We're given 5 numbers, so 80 should be divided by 5. The final answer is 16. Question 2. Find the range of numbers given. Range is biggest number, take away smallest number. So 36 minus 2, the final answer is 34. 1 mark exam question. The last part, probability. Question 1. A 6-sided dice is rolled. What is the probability of rolling a 3? So we have 6 faces on the dice, and one of them is 3. So the probability is 1/6. 1 exam mark. Second question. A 6-sided dice is rolled 12 times. How many times would you expect to roll a 2? Again, 6 faces, 2 can be seen once. So the probability, if you roll once, is 1/6. How many times are we going to roll? 12. So 1/6 times 12. Simplify, and the final answer is 2. So if you roll the dice 12 times, the probability to get 2 is 2. 2 exam marks. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If there are topics you are struggling with, please write in comments and wait for new videos.